activity book, page 71. Before we do page 41, look at the given example first. Look at the first graph. Is it a tree or not a tree? This graph is a tree. Okay, why? Because all the vertices of the graph are connected. Okay, how to explain this? Okay, look at vertex B and then vertex A. Vertex B is connected with vertex A. Next, vertex E is connected with vertex A. Next, vertex F is connected with vertex A. Next, vertex D is connected with vertex F. Next, vertex D is connected with vertex A. Next, vertex S is connected with vertex A. So all the vertices are connected. So this graph is a tree. Okay, next, look at the next diagram, the next graph. There is one vertex, that is vertex E, that is not connected with other vertices, right? So this E not connected with A, E not connected with vertex F, E not connected with vertex B. So if you have one vertex that is not connected with other vertices, so this graph, the whole graph is not a tree. Look at the next example. Look at this graph. Is it a tree or not? Yes, this graph is a tree. So the answer is tree. Because in the graph, there is no loop. Because no circle each in the graph. So this graph is a tree. Look at the next graph. Can you see a loop? Can you see a circle each? Yes, here there is one loop. If a graph has a loop, then this graph is not a tree. So the whole graph is not a tree because you have a loop. Look at the next example. The first graph is a tree because no multiple edges. So this graph is a tree. The next graph is not a tree because these two each are multiple edges. What is multiple edge? Okay, look at vertex E and vertex F. Vertex E join with vertex F, you have one edge. And then one more, vertex E also join with vertex F with the other edge. So vertex E and vertex F are joined by two different edge. One edge, the straight line, and then one more edge, the curved line. So these two are called multiple edges, EF and one more also EF. If the graph has multiple edges like this, EF and one more EF, then this graph is not a tree. Look at the next example. The first graph is a tree because each vertex is connected by one each. For example, vertex A and vertex B is connected by one each. Vertex B and vertex C is connected by one each. Vertex C and vertex D is connected by one each. Vertex D and vertex E is connected by one each. So this graph, the whole graph is a tree because each vertex is connected by one each. Okay, look at the second graph. This graph is not a tree. Why? Okay, focus on vertex B. Here, look at number 1. B is connected with vertex E. B is connected with vertex E by one each. So, this is the first way to join B and E. Okay, second, to join B and E, vertex B and vertex E also can be joined by using one more way. That is to join vertex B to vertex E. You can use this way. B and then move to C first. C move to D first. D move to E. And then you can join E and B. So, to join vertex B and E, you can use this way. Or one more way is you connect with C first and then connect with D and then connect with E and then E connect with B. So, there are two ways to join B and E. So, if there are two ways to join the two vertices, so this graph is not a tree. Next example, look at the first graph. This graph is a tree because the number of vertices and the number of edges, the difference is 1. Okay, look at the first one. Number of vertices. Vertices is vertex. This, how to count? 5. Number of vertices, how to get 5 is, look at the dot. This dot is 1 vertex. Next, 2 vertices. Next, 3 vertices. Next, 4 vertices. Next, 5 vertices. The dot, dot, dot. The dot, dot is a vertex. If many vertices. So, number of vertices is 5. Because there are 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots mean 5 vertices. Next, number of edges. How many edges? Edges mean the line. So 1 edge, 2 edges, 3 edges, 4 edges. So number of edges is 4. Okay, now if number of vertices 5, number of edges 4, the difference is 1, right? 5 minus 4, the difference is 1. So this graph is a tree. But look at the second graph. Count how many vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Number of vertices is 5 because there are 5 dots. Okay, how about each? How many each? 1 line, 1 each. 2 lines, 3 each. And 2 line, 1 each. 2 edges, 3 edges, 4 edges, 5 edges. So number of edges is 5. Okay, look at the number of vertices 5. Number of edges also 5. So same number, same value. So if you get same, so this one is not a tree. If number of vertices more 1 than the number of each, then this is a tree.